Hello YouTube. Welcome back to Useapalooza with me, the inconsistent crafter. Today I'm going to be doing a simple little project. It's going to take no time at all. I'm going to cut this template out. I'm going to put it on here, then mark all the other places. We're going to make this little gift box to put my anniversary gift in. So the 18th anniversary is ceramic. So I got him I didn't know I was going to make a video. I just taped it all up. So like I said, the thing is ceramic, so I got him these vintage cufflinks. Can we focus on the cufflinks, please? Kind of bleeping in and out, ain't it? There we go. Alright, so I got him these vintage cufflinks. They're made out of ceramic. And we're just going to make a little gift box for him. And it's going to be cute. You know the drill. Enjoy. Okay, so here's the finished product. It is a little bit off because you know, I traced it from here. If I would have just printed the design on the cardstock, that would have been better, but I would have had to cut the cardstock into 8x11 for my thing, and I just didn't want to do it. So, it's pretty good. This is how it turned out. It's so cute. It's a little too small because, as you see, it's got a little puff there, but all in all, I think it turned out pretty cute. And that's it for this episode. Yeah, so thanks for watching this episode, this tiny episode of Useapalooza. It's me, the Inconsistent Crafter, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.